this here.
Yeah. I'm just trying to lift it up so it gets some height.
This is the man Jay.
Alright, the wheel's off again.
The man is Richy. What are you doing today, Richy?
Some shit. Front wheel bearings and all-wheel drive engage gear. Is that what it's called?
Yeah, it's like an actuator.
Actuator?
Yeah, whatever you want to call it. Or they call it a wheel end or some shit like that, but
Yeah, you can lower it.
same old. So just taking off the wheel. I'll get back to you when we get it off. Yeah, it's a pretty easy job.
I'm gonna take the whole caliper off as one, so we don't have to compress it and take the pads out and disassemble it. So we're just gonna cheat. We're gonna take off the two bolts that are holding it on to the assembly. And those are 18 mil.
Raindrops.
Drop top. Hello, Richy. How's it going, bud?
Oh, it's going good.
What are you doing there, bud?
Too bad the rain's about to come down on us, but we're gonna try to get this done as quick as possible.
Yeah, you gotta real overcast real quick. So you're gonna take out the two 18mm bolts holding the
Get that
caliper on.
bucket. Jay, bring the bucket.
Mr. Lube employer right here. I'm gonna have to disconnect the vacuum hose back there. As you can see. Alright.
Next step.
So I got the rotor out.
Hold on, let's take this. The next step, we're gonna take this cap off, and then there's what is it, 8 mil? The 8 mil ball here.
No, that one's not 8. That one's 13. That one here is 13.
With spark plug socket.
That's a 13.
Yeah.
Spark plug socket. Spark plug socket.
It should be on the ground, dude. Where's a socket for this? Hit the camera.
Thanks, Richy. You don't even need this, I told you. It's soft.
That's crazy. Thank you.
The little helper.
Now we're gonna take these 4 bolts holding the actual.
It's back here. It's actually holding the hub on.
It's already on here. It's 18.
So it's 4 18mm bolts. Alright. 4 bolts coming out there real nice. Alright, after you get the 4 bolts out, it comes off like nada. Yeah, don't forget to unclip it, you know. Now with the old.
I was gonna throw it.
Actually gonna
Put it in back.
Yep. Yeah, you're taking this out so that you can get off. This is back here. Ratchet and wrenches, yo. Look at this guy. All professional and shit. This is Mr. Luke. This is Mr. Luke?
Hey, sponsor.
Bridge are a little rusted out, so you have to put some lube in there.
More.
You recording this?
Hell yeah. Look at that hand in hand.
It's still in there again.
Damn it.
Wait, let me hit it again?
Nah, it's too late now, bud.
Hit it. Hit it again.
We're not doing no.
Hit it. Hit it.
I'm gonna hit you.
So it's what, 3 bolts there?
Yeah.
What size is that again? 8?
8.
8 mil? Oh, yeah.
These come with the bearings come with new bolts too, right?
Yeah, it comes with new bolts, so you won't have to worry about replacing them.
Remember how you took this off? Because the vacuum hose have to be at the top.
Yeah, because the hose is too small, right? The hose is two different sizes. And the nipples are two different sizes.
Yeah, so the points to hook up the vacuum hose is always at the top. Always facing up, so you can't mess it up. This fucking guy. Yeah, this should be in one piece, but it's broken. That's why you replace everything, you know? You do one side, you do the other side. Ooh, feeling that rain. Yeah, we could.
So this is the old one, this is the new one. As you can see, the old one's pretty. Alright, the old one's pretty effed.
This is the new one. They come pre-greased, but probably we're gonna add my own grease to it. High temp grease, you know.
Hold on, let me get the brake cleaner.
And the rag, where's that rag at?
The blue rag's right in front of you.
Cleaning off all the old grease. Nah, I'm not sponsored, bro.
What we use.
So you can clean off the drive shaft as well. Get all the old grease off.
Play the right music, this will be censored.
Yo, it took us a second there. This guy, yo.
I was wondering. You said that, I was just like, huh?
Yo, we both like, yo, we got that at the same time.
You brought this guy with you? Alright, where? Here?
There's someone there. And then some on the shaft itself.
Grease it up. That's what she said.
Lube it up, yo. It's lube. It's high temp lube. For that friction, you know?
Now you just slowly rub it. You want to put some grease on you?
After, that goes in after.
Yeah?
Alright, so slide out on there. Make sure the nipples are facing up. That's where the vacuum lines are going to attach to. You could rotate the whole thing.
Alright, when you put the axle back in, and you put this gear at the back, the four-wheel drive engagement gear, make sure this is lined up before you do everything else. So if this can't go back on it like that, you're gonna have a big problem.
Yeah, it's gonna eat away your teeth, and then you'll have to do it all over again.
It won't engage. You're gonna have a bad day. Alright, so just check by doing this. It goes back, because that's what happens when the vacuum hits it. It pulls it back like that, and then you have all-wheel drive. Okay? Alright. The kit comes with 3 new screws. That keeps the gear in. 1, 2, 3. And they're 8mm.
This is the old, and this is the new one. New wheel bearing that's gonna go in. The new one comes with the sensors and everything already built in. This one wasn't as bad as the other side, but since I was changing one, might as well change the other one as well. So that's what it looks like. Gonna be putting that in next.
Some in a bag.
Inside.
Something in there.
There's already grease on the outside of that.
Nah, I need something on the outside here as well.
They already have it right there.
Make sure this wire is coming out on this side. Line everything up. Slides on.
Ooh, brand new. So sexy. you love it.
Good feeling, man.
Why?
This guy likes pickles. Wait, you recording? Oh my god! Oh my god! Hold this on, bro. Like, you're not even helping me do that.
You don't believe in that either, right? This is gonna be a funny ass video.
He was a little torquey. Oh my back. Yo, you have a short one of these?
That's my next investment.
No, you just talk to Spec. I don't know what Spec is
50.
or who he is. There you go. Always torque your bolts, guys. Especially if it's not on your vehicle. See that? That one was torqued already. Yeah, you do all of that, bro. Yeah.
Okay, the vacuum hose goes back. Big on top. Richie's blocking it, but you know.
Oh, sorry.
Just,
Okay,
so just plug it in up there now.
So
For
this
now.
goes up here?
Yeah, but no, you don't have to worry about it right now.
Oh, so
so just
plug it in.
worry about plugging it in. Yeah. Remember, run it from the back. Yeah. And that's it back through there. And then chupapi manano.
Clip. Bow.
Boom.
This cut is so sad.
Yeah, don't do that.
Alright.
You might want to spray that again.
Why? It's clean.
Yeah, so now you're gonna be putting back.
Did you compress this, you piece of shit?
Yeah, I did,
Oh,
but I did, but you dropped it out, you know? But no buts, bro. You fuck. Nah, can't say that. Can't say that on YouTube.
Put the caliper back on now. Lining the bottom bolts up, top bolts up. Get your bucket out of the way. They used to support the caliper when you took it off, so it's not stressing out the brake lines and shit. Alright, so we're gonna tighten this up. Tighten that up. Put the cap back on. Put the wheel on.
And Dunzo.
We gotta put on back our ball joint.
Oh yeah, tighten that up too.
It's basically the reverse of what we did, guys. That's it. Oh, yeah, that's multitasking. That's all. Make sure you torque your bolts, guys.
I'll let you run up like that.
I guess I am. Can you cap it up?
Okay, Richie, yo, killing it by himself, yo. Go Richie, go Richie, go.
Mr. Loop certified, man.
Has a uniform to prove it.
I don't work there. But free oil changes.
Dollar and a wrench, yo. Dollar and a
You
wrench.
get a free oil change.
Which
Any
lo-
Mr. Loop.
Oh, okay. I was about to ask which
discount
location.
code $1 and a wrench, and you get a free oil change.
Bro,
Yeah, but tell them at the end, right when you're about to pay, just say $1 and a wrench, and they just drive out. What's the problem, man?
Don't look at me. Seriously, Richie. Right in front of my face.
oh, look at that. Last bolt to tighten up there before we put the wheel on.
Is it spinning?
Oh, look at the focus, yo. Look at the focus. Jeez.
Focus.
And then bud.
Gang, gang.
Pretty easy install part replacements.
You can't play with the tools. They're putting the car down.
I recommend doing this by yourself and not paying a mechanic. If we can do it, you can do it. We're not special.
$1 in a wrench right there, yo. 600, bro. 600.
You're the torque expert. Does
Yeah,
that
it's
go
called
up?
a 150, so we're gonna go with a 150.
Ooh. Oh, because it's a F-150?
Yeah, so we torque to 150.
Is that what that means? Is that the... Alright guys, that's it. Bearings are installed, both sides. We did only one side of the camera, obviously. We did that side first. It went pretty smooth. It wasn't that hard. I'll say it's like a 6 out of 10 for level of hardness. We've done worse bearings. We don't want to talk about that, but yeah, all in all, it was good. Now we're going to take it for a test drive and then we'll give you the difference.